Hello everyone, welcome to My Math Teacher. In this video, I am going to teach you Euclid division algorithm. This is from NCERT syllabus for class 10 students. I recommend you to watch this video till the end so that you can understand the concept clearly. Now let's get started. Euclid division algorithm. This helps us to find the HCF of two numbers. Before starting, let us see what is HCF. Let us recall what we have studied in our earlier classes. HCF, highest common factor. So let me take two numbers. Example 16 and one more number 24. Now, so first of all, we'll take the first number 16. So we'll find the factor. Factor is a number by which when we divide this number, we'll get remainder as 0. So starting from ascending order. So let's start from 1. When we divide, we'll get the remainder as 0. Next 1, next 2 is the factor because when we divide, we'll get the remainder as 0. Now 3 is not factor because the remainder will be 1. Next 4 is factor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 8 is factor, and then 11, 12, 16 is factor. Finally, we have all these factors. Now 24. Take this number, write the factors. 1 is factor, 2 here, and 3 is also the factor. 4 is also the factor. Next 6 is also the factor. 7 again. 8 is again a factor here. 10, 11, 12. Yes, 12 is factor. And then after 12, I think we have only 24 as factors. Now we have find the factors of both the numbers. Now we have to find the common factor. What is common factor? What is common factors? What is the common factors here? 1, yes, 2 here, 4, 8 we have, and 16 we don't have here. Now only these are the numbers. What are the numbers? 1, 2, 4, 8. Now the question is highest common factor. So now the highest common factor is which one? The last one, because this is the highest number among this. So this 8. This is what we have studied about HCF in the very early class. Now, as you know, this consumes a lot of time. Then we started using a simple method, that is dividing the numbers by prime factors. So 16, 24, we used to find the HCF with prime factors. So starting from 2, we divide 16, 8. Next divide this 12, we'll have. Next divide again by 2, we'll have 4 here, 6 here. Again divide by 2, we have 2 here, 3 here. Again we can't divide by 2 because it will be divided, but 3 it can't. So finally we'll find HCF by multiplying these 3 numbers, 2 into 2 into 2. So HCF is 8. Here this method is quite simple and easy. It also consumes less time, but the problem here is if you want to find the HCF for large numbers like this 1400, 648, you know that while performing this division, it will take a lot of time. That is the reason we are learning Euclid division algorithm, which helps us to find the HCF of large numbers. Now what is Euclid division algorithm? If a and b are the two positive integers, then they must satisfy this condition. What is the condition? A is equal to bq plus r. Q is nothing but the quotient, r is the remainder, where r should be greater than or equal to 0 and it should be less than b. So let me take the same example and I'll explain this. So what are the numbers? 16 and 24. Now there are two numbers here. Let us take this as a and b, where very important, the first important thing to notice here is a should be greater than b. So here in this case, here this is the greater one and this will be a, and here this is the smaller one, it will be b. So a will be greater than b. Now you have to use the division algorithm. Algorithm is nothing but the sequence of steps. So I take the greater number 24 and I am dividing by the smaller number 16. So how many 16s are there in 24? 1. 16. So subtract this. 24 minus 16 is 8. Now here we will apply in this condition. So what is a? A here is 24. So a is 24 here, that is equal to, what is b here? 16, that is multiplied by the quotient, that is 1. Quotient here is 1 plus the remainder. Remainder is 8. Remainder is 8. Now we'll check whether it is correct or not. So 24 is 16 ones are 16 plus 8, that is 24. Now here, as the remainder is not equal to 0, we have to perform the division again till it becomes 0. Now you have to do the division again using these two numbers. What are the numbers? 16 and 8. These two numbers with this remainder and the divisor. Now again I am going to perform this division. This is 16 divided by which number? 8. So which means this 8 will be the divisor and this 16 will be the dividend here. Now there are two 8. 8 2s are 16. So 16. Now we have got the remainder as 0. This is a now and then this one is b. Now what is a here? 16 is equal to, what is b here? B is 8 multiplied by, what is the quotient? 2 plus, what is the remainder? 0. Again, shall we check this? 16 is equal to 8 2s are 16 plus 0, 16. So we have completed the division algorithm till the remainder becomes 0. The remainder becomes 0. Now what is the HCF? Yes, HCF is nothing but the remainder in the second last step or the divisor in the last step. This is 8. So HCF is 8 for this number. Let me take another example and explain this. So let us take some large number like this, 1400 and 648. Now here a is greater than b. So this is taken as a and this is taken as b. Now we have to do the division. 1400 divided by 648. 2 times. 8 2s are 16. 4 2s are 8. 1 9. 12. So answer will be 4 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now apply in this condition. What is a? A is 1400. That is equal to, what is b here? B is 648 multiplied by the quotient. What is the quotient? 2 plus the remainder. What's the remainder? 104. Now this is first step. Okay. Now as you know, the remainder is not equal to 0. Then which means you have to perform the division. Now here you take this remainder will be b. So which is the a here? This one, the divisor will be again a. So you have to repeat the same division. Now what is a? 648 is divided by, what is b? 104. Now how many times are there? 6. Just multiply. 6 4s are 24. 2 again here 2. 1 6 are 6. Now answer is 624. Subtract 4 2 24. Now what we are going to do? Apply in this condition. What is the condition? What is a here? 648. That is equal to, what is b now? 104 multiplied by which number? The quotient 6 plus, what is the remainder? 24. As you can again see, the remainder is not equal to 0. So again we are going to perform the division the same way. Now what happens, this is A and this, the remainder is B. Now 104 is divided by 24. Just multiply, 4 4s are 16, 8 plus 1, 9. Just subtract, 14 minus 6 is 8. Now the remainder is here 0. So it's simply 8. Again, now this is A. What is A here? A is 104. And what is B here? B is 24 multiplied by this number. What is 24 multiplied by the quotient 4 plus the remainder? Remainder is again here 8. Now again the remainder is not equal to 0. We have to do the division again. So this is A now and this is B. Now I think this will be the final step. So 24 is divided by 8. So 3 8s are 24. Yes, finally we got the remainder as 0. Now what is A? Is equal to, what is the divisor? 8 into quotient is 3 plus, what is the remainder here? 0. So 24 is equal to 8 into 3, 24 plus 0. Finally we got the remainder as 0. Now what is the HCF? HCF is nothing but the divisor in the last step, this one. So the divisor in the last step or the remainder from the second last step, that is the HCF. Now the HCF of 1400 and 648 is 8. Okay, I think the basics will help you to solve the sums from your exercise very easily. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.